Summer.
4, no? Hi guys. Whoops. Never mind that. That's fine. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a little survey. You know that a lot of persons are saying that listen, COVID come and much of the thing and Christmas so nice again, but wanna believe in that them. So we don't want to hear from you, wanna hear from persons all over my beautiful island, Jamaica. So guys, I'm here with Lee. I'm here with Lee. We're at the Christmas tree place and I have a few questions for her and she's gonna give us her honest opinion. So Lee, question to you. Like I said before, person said why COVID come, much of the thing, no Christmas. What you say for that?
Christmas is Christmas. It's like, it's family, it's the food, it's the company.
I don't know, I love my American
You don't really have to go. Yeah, from me and food, me alright. That's why I'm on some sorry with beer rum.
Oh.
And we good, and the cake.
Don't forget.
And the rice and peas. And the plant.
Oh, I want to feel off the January. Okay.
My belly done.
Alright, second question to you. What is your favorite Christmas carol?
Oh, holy night. Yes, that's my favorite.
Alright, guys, I want to know your favorite carol. Carol is, you can put it down below. Last question to Lee. You know the song 12 Years of Christmas, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so what was the first gift that the true love gave to you?
I don't know.
No, you have to guess.
On the first day of Christmas, what you love good to me? A partridge in a pear tree?
Yes, that's right.
Okay. Hey.
Alright, so thank you very much, Lee.
No problem.
Truly appreciate it.
Alright.
Okay guys, so remember we're doing our interview about Christmas. So I have here with me Abby and Nathan. I'm about to ask Abby some questions and Abby's gonna give me her honest answer. Now Abby, you know about the coronavirus? Alright, do you think that because coronavirus is in Jamaica that we shouldn't have Christmas? You still want to have Christmas? What do you love about Christmas?
I love having stuff with my family and my friends.
So Abby says she loves having things with her families and friends. Abby, do you know any of the names of Santa's reindeers? You don't know any of the reindeer names? You don't know Rudolph? No? Alright, tell me what is your most favorite Christmas carol? Yeah, which of the Christmas songs you really love?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Alright, so tell the guys, bye guys, thank you.
Hi guys, thank you.
Alright. I'm here with Reniel and so I'm going to ask him some of the same questions I'm going to ask other people. So I just want to know, Reniel, a lot of persons are saying that because of COVID-19 we should cancel Christmas. What are your views on that?
The whole cancel Christmas thing, it is gaining momentum because we have commercialized Christmas. You understand? We have started to do Christmas as a season of gift buying, of partying, of all of this extravagant thing. And I honestly believe that if we are to look back to the true meaning of Christmas, the Christocentric meaning, it really is a chance for us to celebrate Christ's birth, salvation, life, family. And there's no way you can cancel that. That can be done social distancing in the comfort of your own house.
I like that answer. You don't hear that? You're already so intelligent, ladies. Alright, next question, Reniel. What is your most favorite thing about this season?
Well, my favorite thing about this season, of course, is it gives me a chance to really sit and reflect.
Okay.
Right? A lot of the times we are so busy throughout the course of the year with all the different things that we have to know, all our responsibilities. We don't get a chance to really sit back and reflect on life, the beauty of life, and the fact that we're still living, we're still breathing. And so it affords me the opportunity to sit back, to enjoy family, and to just think on
Okay. Last question for Reniel. Reniel, tell me the names of 3 of Santa's reindeer.
Alright, so all of us know Rudolph. Isn't
Okay.
it? Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Then there is Dasha. Dasha. See that? There's Dasha and there is
5,
Slasher.
4. No slasher. Alright, so thank you very much, Reniel, for spend some time to be with us and enjoy the Christmas season, alright?
Anytime.
Yeah, man, big up
God
yourself.
bless.
Guys, we are here with Chemo and we're going to ask Chemo the similar question to what ask other people them. Chemo, so you know coronavirus around the place, right? And boy, life you know feel the same and we have more social distance, all these things. But what do you think? People are saying we should cancel Christmas. Do you think we cancel Christmas?
No.
Why?
Christmas can never be cancelled. Christmas is one of the most important time of the year where family will come together as one and to just enjoy themselves in a whole different manner and ways.
Alright, cool. So what your most favorite thing to do in the Christmas season?
My most favorite thing to do in a Christmas season is to spend time with my family, especially the ones I have not seen in a very long time.
Alright, last question, Chemo, about we think about family. Chemo, name 3 Asana reindeer.
Rudolph,
10 seconds, go quick.
Rudolph,
1, 5,
Summer,
4, no. 3, 2, 1. Alright, keep it no more Sunday reindeer. But thank you very much, Chemo, for the time. Thank you very much. And remember, don't let the corona stop you and from the family same way. Big up yourself.
Same thing.
Alright. Hi guys, so we're still on our Christmas adventure. We're still out here in the streets finding out from people how they feel about the season, what's going on, and just like share little experiences with us and stuff. So I'm here with Nadia. And Nadia, question to you. So right now, you know, coronavirus are going away with the place. Do you think that we should cancel Christmas because of the coronavirus? Why?
Because Christmas, you don't definitely go out on the road to enjoy Christmas. It's a family time, so you gather in a small groups, your family can divide. You can divide yourself, and if you do, you can social distance, wear a mask.
I agree with that. We like that. Alright, what's your favorite Christmas movie to watch?
Home Alone.
Home Alone 1, 2, or 3?
All in.
Oh gosh, me love 2 the most. Lost in New York, that's my favorite. Last question, so the bonus question. Alright, you know the song that says on the first day of Christmas, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
You know, sorry. Tell me what did the true love give on the 6th day of Christmas? No, you don't know, you're going to see it.
I don't know it.
You don't know? Alright, we'll give you one question. Give you one question. Tell me names of 3 of Santa's reindeers.
I don't know, honestly.
Like, one reindeer you may know?
I don't know. Honestly, that's not the one.
Which one can I answer? You cannot tell her the answer. Alright, well thank you Nadia very much.
I don't want to. I have to come into picture for
Oh yes guys, I'm not telling them the cake
Serve
tastes
awesome
good.
cake.
Of course it tastes good. I drop my nose and it's going to eat all the time.
Yes, so big up the Patient Passions family and the team.
Alright, thank you. Alright, so guys, we're continuing with our Christmas survey that we're doing. Now we are here with Jardine. No, we'll ask Jardine but a similar questions we'll ask other people. Jardine, so with COVID on the rise or hopefully on the low, what do you think? Do you think we should cancel Christmas because of it?
No, man, I think we should still celebrate. I mean, the reason for this season is Christ, so continue to celebrate Christ, but with with caution.
Caution. Listen, when you go in family, you know, 6 feet. no, family and family. Alright, next question is, what's your favorite Christmas carol?
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells.
Hey.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Alright, final question. Can you name 3 of Santa's reindeers?
Rudolph,
Mm-hmm.
Blitzen, is it Blitzen or
Person?
some Blitzen?
Well, I'll be sure to put the answer. If she was correct, if she got all 3, we're going to put it down here on the video so that you can see. Thank you very much for being a part of this. I hope we're not yet in the background, guys. But big up on yourself. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
So there you have it, guys. Persons don't believe that because of Corona we should cancel Christmas. What we're saying is ensure that you do it on a safe level. So sanitize your stuff if you go shopping. Make sure you social distance. If your family come from foreign, quarantine them so you can be safe. But Christmas is about family, it's about fun, it's about enjoyment. And even though things are hard, some persons don't have a job anymore and everything, if you have little food, eat a curry chicken back and enjoy your Christmas. And I can't believe some people still don't know the name of Santa's reindeers. Guys, Rudolph, Prancer, Nipson, and the 12 days of Christmas. Everybody knows upon the 12th day. I really don't know what they're giving me now. But on the first day, a partridge in a pear tree. Guys, thank you very much for tuning into my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. And let me know what is your favorite thing about Christmas and your favorite Christmas song. Until next time, guys, thank you for tuning into Life with Tiffy. And like I always say, be sure to tell a friend, tell them friends, tell all them friends to subscribe to Life with Tiffy. Bye, guys. Merry Christmas, guys.